glad you could plop in.
Yes, boy. It's such a busy time of year, isn't it? And I have just the spell to put us all in the mood. Lucas Sabruga comes.